AM.CO.ZA's Heatware range has just got a whole lot bigger. Take a look at this exciting new combo set. This handheld heat press comes with an attachment for a mug press and a cap press. The heat press unit itself rests on a durable heat-resistant hardy plastic base and comes with a Teflon cushion as well. Just set the temperature and the time on the easy-to-use digital panel on the handle, prepare your substrate and press. Easy stuff. Now for the cap press. Mount the cap press stand on a solid surface so it doesn't move around. Attach the cap press to the heat press unit over here. Pop the cap onto the press. Set the temperature and time. Place the top part of the cap press onto the cap and press down by hand. Wait for it to time out and there you go. And the mug press? Wet the suckers at the bottom of the mug press unit and secure it on a flat surface. Attach the mug press to the heat press unit, set the temperature and time, and slide the mug into the mug press. And there you go. Just like that, you have got a handheld heat press, cap press and mug press all in one. Then there is the automatic cap press unit. Secure the cap onto the unit with this handle over here. Use the dial on the display to set your temperature and time. Press the display panel to confirm that you are ready, and the arm automatically comes down to press on the cap press. And when it times out, it automatically lifts the arm again. And you have a pressed cap, just like that. The same applies for the automatic mug press. This fancy unit is made of hardened heat-resistant plastic. Switch it on. Place your mug in from the top. Then just leave it. The unit will close the mug in, and when it is ready, the unit will automatically open to allow you to pull the mug out again. And you have a pressed mug. There is also a new manual standalone mug press, which comes in two sizes, one for mugs and the other for tumblers. Just use the easy-to-use dial on the display panel to set the temperature and the time. Pop the mug in and take it out when it times out. Lastly, there is a standalone clamshell heat press as well. Again, set the temperature and the time on the easy-to-use dial display panel and you are ready to press. Simply put, there are so many different options available to you from AM.CO.ZA at crazy prices when it comes to heat pressing. So there is bound to be a solution just waiting for you and your needs. And you can come on over and check them out for yourself anytime you like. Just call sales for more information.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.